Hey guys, welcome back to another Vector Ink tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can design a simple letter D logo like this. As you can see, this logo is a combination of a wing and letter D. Now let's design this logo using Vector Ink. Select Circle tool, draw a circle like this, and go to Selection tool and Transform, and change the size to 400 by 400 pixel. Align it to center. Now duplicate this circle and change the size to 200 by 200 pixel. And place it over here. Duplicate this circle once again and change the size to 300 by 300 pixel. And place it over here. Now double-click on Shape tool and select Line tool. And draw a line like this. Go to Selection tool, and rotate it to 90 degrees. And place it over here. Now duplicate this line, and place it over here, again duplicate line. And place it over here, duplicate this line, and I will do the same. Duplicate this line. And rotate it to 120 degrees. And place it over here. Duplicate it. Place it here. Duplicate it. Place it here. Now select every shapes. And click on Path Builder tool. By using Pencil tool, draw a shape like this. Now here I have done. Click on Selection tool. Here you can see our logo is almost done. Now align it to center. Go to Corner tool. I will select this corner and slide downwards, and I will do same with other two corners. Now select every shapes by using Select tool, go to Fill Color. Now I will import color palettes, by clicking here. Now I will select this colors. Now I will increase stroke width and color stroke white. To change stroke color, just go to Stroke Color, and I will keep stroke color to white. And to increase width, go to Stroke and set the size to 15. Here we go, we have done designing letters D logo. For more Vector Ink tutorial, just check this playlist.